nag-meet kami ni VP Sara, nag-appear siya sa sala ko eh. Yung hugpong. Oo, VP Sara was, she was president of Hugpong sa Pagbabago, di ba? So, to qualify, to register, kailangan mag-appear yung president. Nag-appear siya. That's how I met her. That's the only time I met VP Sara Duterte Carpio was in my sala in the first division. She testified about her political party Hugpong. And that was the only time na pinatestify ko siya. That's the only. After that, we did not meet again. But I want to thank her. I saw the video na nandun yung idol ko, si Miss Elizabeth Zimmerman. Tatango-tango siya. Nakita ko yung video na VP Sara, sabi niya, pero hanga po kami sa tapang at talino ni Commissioner Banson. Maraming salamat po, VP Sara, for that compliment. It is my honor.